Welcome to ElpNet Aspirants YouTube channel. Today we will see about William Golding, his works, and what are the important concepts he used. Okay, let us enter into chapter. William Golding, he is a British novelist, playwright and poet, and his timeline is 1911 to 1993. Okay, let us see about his introduction. William Golding, that is William Gerald Golding, was born in Cornwall in England and grew up in Wiltshire, and his father was a science master. So his influence is seen in Golding, okay, in Lord of Files and The Inheritors, and he got Nobel Prize in 1983, okay, for the novel The Lord of Files. He also got Booker Prize for his novel The Rites of Passage. It is a type of trilogy. It is a C trilogy, and this Booker Prize is awarded in the year 1980, and he was a knight. It was announced by Elizabeth II in 1988. Let us see of his introduction. He was a fellow in the Royal Society of Literature. It is during World War II, okay, and he joined in Royal Navy in 1940, and in 1939, remember, he was a schoolmaster and he was interested to teach philosophy and English, but only he taught English from 1945 to 1962, and he married Annie Brookfield, okay. And I remember he married Annie Brookfield in the year 1939 on 30th September. In 1939, at the same year, he died because of heart failure. Lot of writers died because of disease like tuberculosis, pox, like that. So this writer, that is William Golding, died because of heart failure. So he left one novel unpublished, that is The Double Tongue. It portrays about the ancient times, okay. So next is important works. Let us see that. First, he produces poetry, that is poems full of collection. It is published in 1934, and his plays, next is his play. Only one poem he published, that is full of collection. It is published in 1934, and his play, that is The Brass Butterfly. It is 3-act play. It published in 1958. Remember that, okay. Next is all novels, that are Lord of Files. It published in 1954. We will discuss Lord of Files later. The Inheritors in 1954, and Pinch Martin, okay. Pinch Martin is published in 1956, and Free Fall. So Free Fall is published in 1967. Remember that this Free Fall is narrated in first person, okay. And next is The Pyramid. The Pyramid is published in 1971, and The Scorpion is published in the same year, 1971, and The Paper Man, okay, it is published in 1984, and Lost is Dark Visible. So it is to be noted that it is published in 1979, and this Dark Visible is taken from Milton's Paradise Lost lines, okay. The line is no light but rather darkness visible. So this is the line, that is no light but rather darkness visible. So in this line, this title is taken from. And what are the trilogy novels by Golding? Okay, To the End of the World is the name given to the trilogy. The three trilogies are The Rites of Passage. It is this famous Booker Prize novel, that is in 1980, and second is Close Quarters, third is Fire Down Below. So this Rites of Passage is Voyage to Australia. It deals of Voyage to Australia, and the important character is Edmund Zalbolt. Okay, Edmund Zalbolt. Okay, so this character Edmund is portrayed in all these trilogies. Okay, and next we will see about non-fiction that is used by Goldings. Okay, The Hot Gate is published in 1965. A Moving Target is published in 1982. These are non-fiction like essays and short stories and another. Okay, like journals. Next is an Egyptian journal. It is published in 1985. Okay, next. These are the important works, that is Art Gates and Egyptian Journal. Next we will see about The Lord of the Files. It is an important novel which make him famous. That is William Golding became famous because of this novel and became famous. Okay, the novel is called as Magnum Opus of Golding. Okay, because it gave him fame, life. Okay, in literature. The novel is a reaction to the youth novel The Coral Island. So the Coral Island is the reaction of Lord of Files. Okay, The Coral Island is by Blanty. Okay, R.M. Blanty. So this Lord of Files talks about the British boys inhabited in the island. Okay, and how they are disastered by the nature, that is forest nature, and how they led their life and how they became animal minded. Okay, so that is the thing which portrayed clearly by William Golding. So it became famous by the psychology, that type of thing is predicted in this novel. Okay, so when you see the character in this novel, that is Ralph, Peggy, Jack, Simon, each character has uniqueness. Okay, that has some character traits, that is Ralph has rationality, Piggy has pragmatism, Jack has savage, because savagery is because he treats everyone so under him, right? He is the head, he want to be like that, and his treated all the human beings about his own age as like animal. You even see that at the time of death of Piggy, they don't feel for anyone. Then they enter into their own works. That is the thing. So that all the things you should note of Lord of Files. So what are the important characteristics or characters in Lord of Files? That is Ralph, okay, who is 12 years old, and he is the protagonist of this novel and represent human beings civilized instinct, elected as the chief of the survivors. Okay, and his primary three goal is in this island is to have fun, to survive, and to maintain. So these three important things you should know, that is to have fun, to survive, and to maintain. Next is Jack. So Jack is the antagonist of this novel, represent the instinct of savage within human beings, how the human beings savage people behave, that is portrayed through Jack. Next is Piggy. So Piggy is very scientific rational side of civilization, okay, and he is called as Ralph Lieutenant. Okay, next and Sam and Eric. So Sam and Eric are twins and closely associated with Ralph. Okay, and they both two are called as Samneric. So Samneric is the term which is used in Lord of Files for both these twins. Okay, so remember that. And next is Roger. So he is a cruel person who is ordering small boys very cruel orders, and he is the lieutenant to Jack. Okay, like how Piggy is lieutenant to Ralph, so this Roger is lieutenant to Jack. Okay, and he is the person who kill Piggy by rolling bounders. Bounders means the stones. Okay, that big stone. Okay, next we will see about the Inheritors. So the Inheritors is published in 1955. It is the second novel of William Golding. Okay, and It is the fantasy fiction, so it is full of how the past, that is before we enter, how the our ancient lived happiness and with innocence, how they lived without any evilness. But nowadays we live with evilness, so that are portrayed through this novel. Okay, so who are the last remaining tribes? That is Netherland. So that peoples are portrayed here in this novel, that is the inheritors. So important character in this novel is the lock and flay. Okay, these are to be noted. Next we will see of the blast butterfly. It is of play. It has 3 facts. Okay, 3 acts. Next is the odd gates. So I said no, this odd gates. So this odd gates consists of 4 essays. Okay, remember that it consists of 4 books inside this essay. That essays are people and places books. First is people and place, next is books, and third is westward look, and fourth is caught in a bush. Okay, first is people and place, second is books, third is westward look, and fourth is caught in the bush. So that's all about William Golding which I took today, and thank you for watching my video. And if any doubts, kindly post in comment section. If you want this material, kindly post in comment section. I will send you in mail. Send your mail ID, then I will provide you. Post your comments, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe this, and meet you all tomorrow with new topic and a new video. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay safe.